All right, so we are in beautiful Suffolk, Virginia, in the southeastern corridor of Virginia. This is their annual event for the city celebration. Here they have vendors from selling artwork and crafts to food. And it's also where the quick draw will happen today. And so I'm off looking for the check in station to get my canvas stamped. At most of these quick draws, you have 2 hours, and part of that process is getting your not your canvas, your canvas stamped. And here I am inventing new words. So I'm looking for the art station, and here we are. And I'm going to go ahead and get my canvas stamped. It's always a good idea to be prepared for these quick draws so that when you are done, you can quickly set up. And here we are. The gentleman, you'll notice in his right hand there, he's going to go ahead and stamp it for me. So very nice. And so once he gets it stamped, I'll be ready to go. And most of these quick draws, you can go to these events, and they don't cost much, maybe $10 at the most. And this one was also $10. All right, so about to start the Suffolk Plein Air quick draw. This is a quick draw painting where you have only 2 hours to do painting. And so as you can see, this is my subject right over here, this house, my canvas. So this is what I'll be doing, and I'll be doing a time lapse of it. So I have 4 minutes to get ready, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the Suffolk Plein Air quick draw is done. This is my entry, and It's been a lot of fun. Here's painting close up. I'll give you guys a look. It's in the shade, so I don't know how the color's going to look here, but this is the final. I'll go ahead and do some detail. This porch was architecturally tough, but I had a lot of fun. Nerves have got the best of me today, but still got the painting done, and that's all that matters. And if you like this video and my paintings, you can head on over to my website, liquidmethod.com, check out my original paintings and fine art prints. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for tuning in.